Now that we are all gathered together here, the representatives and delegates from the New7Wonders of nature, it has even become more reality, as there is nothing more tangible than real people. It is now clear that one of the biggest rewards of having a New7Wonders of nature is the impact on tourism in your respective countries. This is creating jobs and bringing people from all over the world together, and represents a great chance to show hospitality and welcome to the rest of the world. It is also a big challenge for many of you. For example, how to manage the increased influx and flow of visitors in such a way that it does not compromise the natural beauty and the natural habitat.
Son tres decisiones que también debemos tomar para acompañar esta decisión política. La primera, debemos designar responsables. Cada uno de los 7 destinos debe designar responsables. La clave es acá tomar esa decisión política.
The value of New7Wonders is the fact that we all 7 agree on a strategy going forward in terms of how we're going to market ourselves. For us to do things individually will never be as strong as for us to do things together, all 7. So that's what we really need to work on.
Por outro lado, é uma oportunidade muito grande de atrair investimentos públicos, investimentos privados, na melhoria da qualidade da nossa infraestrutura.
I think we have a very good chance when we become one of New7Wonders.
Most importantly is knowing directly, meeting directly the person who runs the campaign. It used to be our competitors, right? Now becomes the opportunity to cooperate together.
가장 가치 있게 환경을 가장 가치 있게 표현하고 그에 따른 컨셉을 통해서 인증식을 거행하도록 하겠습니다. 더 구체적으로 얘기하면 제주도의 유산은 곧 세계의 미래라는.
After the Congress, there's so much inspiration, and I think there will be no end to the things that we will be talking about after this. I will be reporting immediately to my government and drafting plans and programs, not only to strengthen the Philippine New7Wonders of nature, but in the perspective of the organizers. We thank them so much for this wonderful, wonderful opportunity that we never imagined would create that greater impact, which we did not anticipate.